Hi, coaches, and welcome back to 365 Coaching Insights, brought to you by 365 Coach Academy, your partner in building confidence and mastering the art of coaching. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest challenges new coaches face: supporting behavior change without slipping into pushing or directing. The key is understanding the process of change and meeting clients exactly where they are. It's so tempting to want to move things along, especially when you can see what a client needs to do. But pushing doesn't build confidence for you or for them. What does? Understanding the process of change and learning how to meet clients where they are. Behavior change isn't a single moment, it's a process and one that follows a predictable path. The Transtheoretical Model, often called the stages of change, breaks that journey into 5 main stages. Pre-contemplation: I'm not even thinking about change. Contemplation: I know I should change, but I'm unsure. Preparation: I'm getting ready to try. Action: I'm actively doing it. And maintenance: I'm working to keep it going. Understanding these stages is like having a roadmap. Instead of trying to drag a client forward, you know exactly where they are and how to support them right there. Here's the shift: coaches don't move clients, clients move themselves. Our role is to match our approach to the stage so they feel supported, not pressured. For example, if a client is in contemplation, I know I should exercise, but I don't feel ready, you're not giving workout plans yet. You're exploring ambivalence. If they're in preparation, you might help them design a plan that fits their life. If they're in action, you're focusing on building momentum and celebrating wins. This approach not only helps clients succeed, but it builds your confidence too, because you stop trying to fix and start partnering. Ask yourself, where might you be trying to move clients faster than they're ready to go? Noticing these moments is the first step to shifting from pressure to partnership. Here's why this matters for you. When you know how to meet clients where they are, sessions feel easier, more natural, and more effective. You stop second guessing your coaching, and your clients start experiencing more success because the process finally makes sense. This is one of the biggest turning points for new coaches, shifting from directing change to facilitating it. Confidence as a coach isn't about knowing all the answers. It's about knowing the process. When you understand stages of change and align your approach with where your client is, you unlock deeper trust, better results, and greater ease in every session. Remember, clients move themselves. Our job is to understand where they are and walk with them. That shift alone can transform how you coach and how your clients respond. If this resonated with you, I'd love for you to keep journeying with us here on 365 Coaching Insights. We'll be diving deeper into the skills, tools, and mindset shifts that build real confidence in the coaching seat. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future episodes. And if you want to explore more ways to grow as a coach, visit 365coachacademy.com for ongoing support and resources.